not my birthday starting out hectic already. Like, I don't even want to turn 28 anymore. I'm good. I'll just stay 27. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kaila Cake, and this is my birthday prep video. Today just did not turn out the way it was supposed to. I was working, you know, I was getting in my groove. I was on track until I broke my big toenail on my couch. So now I'm headed to an emergency toenail appointment because tomorrow I'm supposed to be filming content that has to do with like shoes, and they sent me some sandals. So my toes can't be jacked up. So we gotta go get them done. I wasn't planning on getting them done until like a couple days before my birthday because they didn't look bad. They look pretty good. But then I messed around and cracked my whole big toenail in half. It's gone. So we gotta go get her fixed. So birthday prep starts now.
Sit back and roll on, smoking that shit to the face.
I'm headed to get my lashes done. As you can see, I don't have no lashes right now. I'm literally around the corner from Jazz, so we'll get our lashes done, and then y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened after I get my lashes done. I'm about to get these lashes done. We got some what is this called again?
Bad Boys.
Bad Boys Houston. No, Texas.
Is it in Houston?
That's what the guy said. He's like, we don't do that here in Houston.
Yeah, probably. That.
Does anyone have any popcorn? Popcorn, kettle corn?
He needs to just sit down.
But yeah, we about to get these lashes done with my girl. I can't go wrong.
Oh, that's your friend? Oh, that's your friend? That's your friend?
It's y'all motherfucking ready. Bitch, I got my double cup. I'm ready to go. Y'all know I'm very good. I'm excited.
They ain't even going to houses.
And they already fighting. Send you these pictures.
Y'all, so it has been like 2 days and I've been low-key like down in the dumps because I don't have anybody to do my nails. Yesterday morning is when Gabby told me she couldn't do my nails because of an emergency. I spent all day like reaching out to the ones that I liked, that I saw that could like do the style that I wanted, and I actually had to switch the style that I wanted because the one that I originally wanted, I knew only Gabby could like really pull it off flawlessly. Once I was seeing everybody like send me all of their nail tags or like nail tags that they know that are in the area, which shout out to y'all, thank you so much. Not that they couldn't pull it off, but it was just a very complex set, and I just know Gabby, and me and Gabby are here, you know, she knows what I want. So bringing something so complex to somebody new and just, you know, I just didn't want to do that. Plus I would have to be squeezed into their schedule, so it just wasn't going to work out because I knew that set was going to take a long time. Anyway, so I chose something a little more simpler and, you know, kept reaching out. I was getting literally no responses, like none. I got 2 out of like, I think I sent like 15 DMs or something like that, and like people were just not responding, not even reading them, which I get it. If they're busy, it's cool. I'm not really like, you know, tripping off that because I totally understand that. I won't be answering half my DM, well, like 80% of my DM, so I get it. But yeah, so I got an answer from one girl. She told me that she couldn't because she was in school and she was like doing finals and stuff, and I'm like, girl, totally understand it, but her work was bomb. So I definitely am gonna try her out because y'all know baby G is on the way. Gabby is expecting, so she's going on maternity leave. So I'm low-key like writing a lot of these girls down so that I can try them out when Gabby's on maternity leave. But anyway, so even Gabby sent me a list of stuff. Like she's literally an angel sent from above. Like, how are you even helping me in your time of need? You know what I'm saying? Like, she's just amazing. That's literally, she's just that girl. I love her so much. After like I wasn't getting any responses and stuff like that, I literally was just like, okay, I'm sad now. Like, I was literally so down in the dumps last night. I was like, I'm not gonna have my nails done for my birthday. Like, I don't know, I just didn't know what else to do. Like, you know, I was just panicking, but also just sad and just whatever. So I went to bed, woke up this morning a little more optimistic. I did find this one girl, but she's just so far. She's so far. And then also, I'm just saying, like, she was charging a lot of money for this set, plus, you know, the squeezing fee and stuff like that, because obviously she's going out of her way to do my nails. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Talking about it is kind of making me sad again. Not gonna lie, it's kind of triggering me, but obviously I want to tell y'all like what's going on. I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow, which y'all will see that tomorrow. So yeah. I'm like trying to cheer up, but it's just so hard because my nails are not done and my birthday is literally tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to stay optimistic with y'all. I don't know. Anyway, this is my outfit. Of course y'all will see it on once I put it on, but it's from Naked Wardrobe and it's just like this gray cow neck top. So it's gonna come boop, boop, and then the skirt is like super long all the way to the floor. It's a maxi skirt, and then right next to it I hung up the shapewear I'm gonna wear, the bra. Like, I'm not playing. Tomorrow I don't want to be stressed out at all. I'm about to hang up the underwear too. We're in my room. I have everything slightly laid out. Let me start to show y'all some of this stuff. So we got some goodies from Amazon. We have this ring right here. I'll link them all down below. Look how pretty this is. And then I got this one, which I actually saw on somebody's website for like $60 or something. This thing was like $15, I think, on Amazon. Like, look how pretty this is. Come on, it's like a big old dome, which I thought was cool. It's definitely a statement. So I'm gonna pretty much put them all on and figure out, you know, what finger I want them on and all that once I, you know, do. This one is also from Amazon that I could wear, so I might put that one in rotation. Let's find a watch. I have my JBW watch, the silver one that I could wear. This necklace from Amazon, a little tennis necklace. Remember I bought this for Fashion Week because it was like super last minute. I'm like, I feel like I need some bling for this outfit. So your girl went on Amazon and just got her a little tennis necklace. And then I think this is the same brand. This brand right here, they have some good stuff, y'all. So I went ahead and just got a bracelet to match. This one is like emerald cut, which I absolutely love. I got compliments on this one so much, and when I said it's from Amazon, people's eyes got so big. Maybe one day we can manifest a real tennis necklace, but for right now we got goals, baby. We ain't doing that. And for shoes, I kind of want to do my Tom Fords because they're silver. I mean, come on now. Like, shout out to me for buying these because they're absolutely gorgeous, but also these bitches hurt, okay? But we're gonna be sitting because it's a private dinner, so we might gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? We might gotta pull it out. We got all the accessories. Let's bring them in here with the outfit because I refuse to get caught slipping. I don't really know what bag I'm gonna wear, but that actually doesn't matter because I'm just going to dinner and we're not going out or anything like that. Also been drinking this charcoal for a nice little detox, also to get the bloating down so she can be nice and slim. And this has coconut water, lemon, activated charcoal, and agave. It's actually pretty good. I got it from Toastique. If you can see, it's kind of, you can't really see when it's empty. But yeah, charcoal has some really good benefits. So I got that. My tongue is like, that is so nasty. Okay, look at me. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better now that I'm talking to y'all. I'm about to go get my nails done. Okay, I'm excited. God really be having my back. I am gonna just get something simple though. I'm not gonna get any design, literally nothing. I told her, I was like, if you could just put some acrylic on these fingers, we here. So yeah, let me head out. Let me get ready. I just had to put a bra on, child. We headed out. Ooh. Okay, we're here and let me tell y'all my idea for my nails. So I said scrap it all. Scrap it all. We don't even want that no more. I just want something simple, something that somebody can squeeze me in quickly and I come out, you know, feeling good about my fingers. So I'm at the nail garden. You already know, this is literally where I get my nails done all the time with Gabby. But her pedicurist, she does acrylic overlay. So I'm like, I could just get my regular like nude acrylic that always looks good on my fingers all the time. I can just get that over my nails and have a nice, clean, classy look. But all right, let me try to save my battery because my camera's dying again. Child, I'm sick of this thing. We're back home. Here's my nails. Very simple, like literally the cleanest set ever. And it was just super quick, you know, straight to the point. So yeah, these are the nails for my birthday. Breathe, girl, just breathe. Just got out the shower, washed my hair. It's all clean and stuff. I'm thinking about doing the style that I did for my designer finds under $300. If y'all haven't checked that video out, run, because I feel like that video is so good, especially to get designer, you know, for the low. But that style that I had, so the bun with the curlies, I'm gonna do a little more curlies, you know, kind of even the bun, making it a little more curly instead of like a little knot. And then I want to have pieces in the front that are curly, so I feel like it's going to be super cute. Now I want to do a little bit of skincare, and then I'm going to do, no, let me do my tanning first. So I'm going to do the Isle of Paradise self tanning drops. As you know, the weather here has been trash, so there's literally no opportunity for me to catch any type of sun. It's been dark for like weeks. This is the lotion that I use, the Nivea. It makes my skin glow so good, and I always just feel super moisturized when I use this. So basically, you just put your lotion, take some of the drops, and the first time I did this, I did try this out before my birthday because I refused to be looking crazy on my birthday. The first time I did it, I used 4 drops. I think I'm gonna do 6 this time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it says you can use 1 to 12. Some people be doing way too much, and I feel like that's where all the bad reviews come from. So I'm just mixing it up. Ooh, Jesus. Mix her up, and then you just apply. Oh, y'all can't see my leg, but literally just try to apply as evenly as possible and rub it in really, really good. And make sure you do the same amount of drops, so count them, because I feel like that's how you get it nice and even. Okay, then you just evenly distribute. And also, after you use this, make sure you wash your hands, because you know how like lotion be sinking into and be like gathering up, you know, in between your knuckles and stuff. Wash your hands, girl, or else it will be like blotchy. All right, let's do some skincare. So I have some breakouts here. They're pretty much clear. I use the I don't know where they're at, but the zit stickers, they are bomb, y'all. Literally the only thing that has worked for me as far as the pimple patch goes. I've tried so many brands. I'm going with my Murad AHA and BHA just to exfoliate any of like the dead skin, honestly, on my whole face. But you know how when your breakouts kind of start to dry up and they get that light crust? Yeah, we got to get that up out of here. So I'm going with this. This is really like my holy grail skin, I guess you could say, prep routine that I use when I really want my makeup to look amazing and flawless and like just really sit, you know, like she gotta eat. So we have to eat with the skincare. Almost forgot my little wristlets. I got these from Amazon, y'all. Put them bad boys on so the water don't get the dripping all up on the lotion, girl. Now I'm gonna do some toner. This is from Freck Beauty. I really like this one. It has lactic acid, yeah, lactic acid in it, and it helps with like breakouts and stuff. I want to use this, but also my Polish Choice is low-key calling my name, because the Polish Choice is just a little bit more moisturizing, I guess you could say. We're gonna stick to the normal and do the Polish Choice, but when I have a breakout, I use the Freck Beauty, and look how cute the packaging is. Like, talk about it. This is called the Cactus Water. This is when I don't have a breakout and I'm just kind of like wanting to keep my skin at bay, I guess you can say. Oh, they're wrong. See, I feel something coming up right there. Okay, so for my mask, I'm gonna do the Summer Fridays Jet Lag. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, it leaves my skin so moisturized and just, ooh, I just love this mask. Like, they really did that with this one. So I'm gonna use about They say use a lot. I don't really be using a lot. I don't know. But you can really just like slather it on. And the objective is for your skin to like soak up what it needs, and then you just kind of pat away the rest. And last order of business is teeth whitening. So I have not whitened my teeth in a while. This is the one that I use, the Crest 3D white strips with the little light that goes with it. I always brush my teeth before. I use this toothpaste. How cute is this, number one? But also I really like it. Yeah, these teeth ain't as white as they used to be, but we're gonna get it together, okay? All clean, let's do some teeth whitening, baby. I really should have started this process like weeks ago for real, but like be lifing. But I would recommend like doing this weeks in advance, like keep whitening and keep whitening and keep whitening, so that when your big day is here, your teeth are like, you know, the optimal white that you're looking for. The easiest way for it to go on is if your teeth are dry. So I just do like this, align it so to the top of your teeth, mine are crooked, and you know, go from there. That's in the middle. One side done. The other side, and press, and you hold it under. Right here. And then I'm gonna have a list for like an hour. So you leave these on for an hour. I got a list. And and then you do the light. The mask has been on for like 10 minutes. You can wear it overnight, or if you do it during the day, it just recommends like, you know, 10 minutes for maximum hydration. So I actually forgot to end this video, and I already did my hair. So I was like, I didn't really want to show y'all my hair just yet, because that's going to be part of like the get ready with me and the actual birthday vlog. But then I'm like, you know what, nah, let me give y'all a little sneak peek of the look. So this is my hair, and I showed y'all how I do it on my now I'm gonna post that on TikTok. I think, I don't know, I might post it on Instagram. Just go to my platforms and then y'all will see it there. But yes, I love it. I'm so excited. I'm having such a good day. Like, despite all of the craziness, I'm having a good day, you know? Like, I pamper myself and I just feel good. Like, that really brought me back up. That's really part of the prep, like getting your mental back together. You know, the pampering is like self-love, so it just brings your mental all the way back up and gets you ready for your day. So I feel super good. You know, I'm not sweating the small stuff. I'm literally just ready to have a good time with my family and friends, and I'm just like super cheesy and excited and everything. Everyone has been sending me so much love. Oh my gosh. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the birthday prep, and stay tuned for the actual birthday vlog where you see my whole look, you know, how the hair goes with the outfit and all that. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.